Once upon a time, in a not-too-distant future, robots were a common sight in everyday life. They did everything from cooking and cleaning to delivering packages and even providing medical care. People were amazed at how much easier their lives had become with the help of these machines. One day, a group of curious students were discussing the future of robotics in their class. They wondered what new technologies and advancements would be made in the coming years. Their teacher, Mr. Jackson, noticed their excitement and decided to give them an assignment on the topic. The students eagerly got to work, researching and discussing the latest developments in robotics. They read about self-driving cars, drones, and even robots that could perform complex surgeries. However, they also learned about the potential downsides of these advancements, such as job displacement and privacy concerns. As they worked on their assignment, they came up with all sorts of ideas for the future of robotics. One student, Alex, suggested that robots could be used to help clean up the environment by collecting and disposing of trash. Another student, Sarah, imagined a future where robots could help solve global hunger by growing food more efficiently. However, one student, Michael, was skeptical about the future of robotics. He worried that robots might become too powerful and take over the world, like in the movies. Mr. Jackson listened to Michael's concerns and reminded him that humans would always be in control of the robots they created. In the end, the students presented their ideas to the class. They shared their visions for a future where robots and humans could work together to make the world a better place. They also discussed the importance of responsible design and programming to ensure that robots were used in a safe and ethical way. The class ended with the students feeling hopeful and excited about the future of robotics. They realized that with the right mindset and approach, robots could be a powerful tool for positive change. And who knows, maybe one of them would be the next great inventor of the future.